It's the tail end of autumn, and here in Korea, the FIBA Asia Cup Window 2 is on. Team Indonesia faces Team South Korea. So before the exciting game, I went to see the Seoul Tower to see what's left at autumn. Also, I went to Sodaemun. Hello guys, welcome to Sodaemun, and this is the shooting location of the Korean drama Family by Choice. Now back to Asia Cup at the Koyang Stadium. This is Oh Jae-yoon of Team Korea before they faced this Team Indonesia. Coach T, thanks for the selfie after the game. This is Lee Won-sok of South Korea before fouling out of the game. Now Byun Jun-young is back and scored 13 big points for South Korea. Bounce back Indonesia. Bye.